Ever wondered what happens when Mother Nature gets creative? Buckle up! At number 5 we have the liger. It's a lion and tiger mix, and trust me, you don't want to meet this big kitty on a dark night. Sliding in at number 4, the zonkey. Part zebra, part donkey. This striped sensation is a real kick in the pants. Next up, the beefalo. Imagine a cow and a buffalo had a baby. It's like a walking steakhouse with horns. Coming in hot, number 2, the growler bear. Half grizzly, half polar bear. It's like the ultimate bear showdown. And you're the referee. And finally, at number 1, the only, the wolf dog. Half wolf, half dog. It's like having a pet that's constantly auditioning for a werewolf movie. So there you have it, 5 hybrid animals that prove Mother Nature has a wild sense of humour. Which one would you want as a pet? Let us know in the comments.